episode 10, Ben 10. Oh yeah. What it do, boo-boos? Gotta do a little wheelie, y'all. Whoa! That bird almost hit me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Man! I gotta wait up again, bruh. What's going on, y'all? We back at it again. Yo, I got the white one, or the white. I got the black Vans on today, bruh. Where are these fools at? Come on, homies. Trying to think of a good spot to do some videos or something. Interesting way of doing the top of that fence. Man, we're gonna go out here to Cascadia Park. I think I know of some good little spots in there. I can do some nice little cinematics. I'll try to throw them up in the video. But yeah, we just came out to ride. It's a little late. It's 6 o'clock. Doing a little cruise, a little evening cruise. Just think around. Get as much seat time in before I have to go back to work. I got like 4 more days off and then I have to go back to work, so. Bird! Gonna try to hit it. I love them pops. Pop tippity dop. They not like us. Oh man. Where's the turn? Oh, right here, right here. Turn, bitches. Yeah. Wow. Interesting. Is the other one open or is it closed? Yeah, it's open. Hell yeah, nobody's out here. W's in the chat. Ooh, this road's kind of rough. Huh. I haven't been out here in a while. Kind of looks butt cheeks. They don't really take care of it like they usually do. Try to get some cool pictures. It's only like I don't even have any service right now. Brr. It's cold. That's a big ass cow. Move. Oh, we're getting into the river area. It's so cold. I should have wore a coat. God damn, I'm cold. Fucking goosebumps. We still gonna rail these corners though. Holy shit, we leaning. Woo! Woo! Damn! It's weird, it's like sometimes the faster you go, the warmer it gets. This road in a while. I don't know the corners. Woo! Oh, my leg fell off. Oh! I'll just go way up ahead and wait for them. Oh, there's a weird bump on this one right here. Hit that at 100, you're going flying. Alright, we're gonna wait for them for a minute. Woo! That was fun. I'll catch y'all in a minute once I catch up. Reason. They're down on one knee. They got up. Woo! Love them corners. We're gonna have to pass old brother man up here. I want to get this corner fast right here though. I need to let them go by. Woo! God, I need to go to a track day, dude. That should be so fun. Bobbing and weaving through fucking corners, dude. That shit's so fun. That's what these bikes are made for, brother. Next. Hey, yo, devil wears lace. If you know, you know. Yeah, it's probably gonna look pretty dark on camera. It's pretty dark out here. Let's go see how much we weigh. Oh. 650. Damn, we fat. From me that but look at that shit. Nice. It looks warm, but that shit cold. Got a couple more months and then it'll be nice and warm. The water usually gets like 70, 73 to 75 degrees when it's the warmest. Yeah, like we were swimming. What the? I don't know about that one. Can't they be found? Oh yeah. Can't light that cigarette. Can't light that cigarette. Can't light that cigarette. Can't light that cigarette. I'm tripping. That shit on my bitch. I tell my douche never skipping. Got 100 blunts and a paper up in my cup. Whoa, brother, calm down, calm down. We don't need you to pull out from me now, there, bro. Yo, where the homies at? They gone. Bitch, stop asking. Can't much support on my family. Oh, bitch, don't look at me. That is make me happy. Damn, my fucking wrist is done for. Too many wheelies. Man, I tell you what, I really want to get back into racing dirt bikes, but I can't afford it. I wish I could. I should have never fucking gave up on it. I was pretty quick. I stopped racing when I left 125s. But yeah, I'd like to just get another bike and go rip the tracks. That shit's fun. I won a shit ton of 85 class though, back when I was on 85s. You already know how YZ85, YZ on top, baby. Me and my buddy Nick, we used to race together. He ended up sticking with it. They had more. His parents were. They had it better than mine did, so like they had more money or whatever. I'm not calling them like rich or spoiled or anything. I'm just saying that his parents had better jobs than mine did, and so they were able to afford stuff like that. But he ended up sticking up with it all the way through 250s. He did whatever it's called, the cross-country off-road enduro type, the like tortoise and the hare NORCC or whatever those are called. I don't even remember what it's called. But yeah, he was pro, and he got crap ton of trophies and whatnot from it. But he ended up getting into an accident and he can't ride anymore. RIP the homie. He would have been, he would probably honestly would be, I don't know if he would have went to try and do like AMA type stuff or whatnot, but he definitely would probably be going to like Loretta's and whatnot by now, cause that fool quick. But yeah, what's up, puppy? But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me today, guys. I'm heading home. It's getting dark. I'm getting cold. I'm getting hungry. But I feel like I always be being hungry when I be making videos. But yeah, I'll catch you guys maybe in a couple days. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna ride tomorrow. I'm gonna spend time with the woman. But yeah, make sure to watch my last video if you haven't. I need to do another video where I'm just all balls out, because those seem to do a lot better. But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in Noswad Vlogs episode 11? 11, yeah, because this is 10. Damn, we already had 10, bro? Oh, they left. But alright, peace out, y'all. Catch y'all in a couple days or something like that. Deuces.